Ethics and governance are the backbone of civil services and public administration. They ensure that public servants act with integrity, delivering services efficiently and fairly, while reflecting the values of democracy and the rule of law. Ethics in civil services refers to a set of moral principles guiding decision-making. Civil servants are expected to act in the public interest, with integrity and accountability at the core of their actions. Ethical governance builds trust between citizens and public institutions. It ensures fairness and impartiality in decision-making. However, challenges like corruption, political pressure, and conflicting interests often test the ethical standards of public servants. Governance in civil services involves the processes through which public services are delivered, policies are implemented, and laws are enforced. Good governance rests on the principles of the rule of law, transparency, accountability, and inclusiveness. Public servants play a critical role by ensuring policies are executed efficiently and fairly, balancing their duties to the government with their responsibility to the public. In the Indian context, civil services like the IAS, IPS, and IFS form the core of governance. These officers are guided by codes of conduct, receive ethical training, and are involved in initiatives like integrity pacts to promote ethical practices. However, corruption, bureaucratic inefficiencies, and political interference still pose significant challenges to governance in India. Despite these challenges, upholding ethical standards and ensuring good governance strengthens democracy, builds public trust, and fosters national development.